Now come to question number 2. Find. Here you have to subtract the rational numbers. See the solution. See first part. It is 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Here again denominators are not same. Make them same by taking LCM. LCM of 24 and 36. It is 72. Take first rational number 7 upon 24. Here denominator is 24. Divide LCM 72 by 24. You will get 3. Multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. You will get 21 upon 72. Take second rational number 17 upon 36. Here denominator is 36. Divide 72 by 36. You will get 2. Multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. You will get 34 upon 72. Therefore, 21 upon 72 minus 34 upon 72. Now you can subtract it. Here what is the, here denominators are same, the right ones, and subtract numerator, that is 21 minus 34. If we subtract it, what will you get? Minus 13 upon 72. This is your answer. Now come to second part. 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Here again denominators are not same. Make them same by taking LCM. LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. So take first rational number 5 upon 63. Here denominator is 63. You divide LCM 63 by 63, you will get 1. Multiply by 1 in numerator and denominator. You will get 5 upon 63. Then take second rational number, that is minus 6 upon 21. Here denominator is 21. Divide 63 by 21. You will get 3. Multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. You will get minus 18 upon 63. Therefore, here denominators are same. Now you can subtract it. So 5 upon 63 minus 18 upon 63. Here denominators are same, the right ones. and subtract numerator. Here 5, and here if you open bracket, the minus into minus, it is plus. It is 5 plus 18. And what will you get? It is 23 upon 63. This is your answer. Now come to the third part. Minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. Here again denominators are not same. Take LCM. LCM of 13 and 15, it is 195. Take first rational number minus 6 upon 13 into, here denominator is 13. Divide 195 by 13. You will get 15. Multiply numerator and denominator by 15. You will get minus 90 upon 195. Take second rational number, that is minus 7 upon 15. Here denominator is 15. So divide 195 by 15. You will get 13. Multiply 13 in both numerator and denominator. You will get minus 91 upon 195. Therefore, minus 90 upon 195, minus 90 upon 195 minus 91 upon 195. This can be written as, here denominator is same, write once. Here numerator is minus 90. Here open the bracket, minus into minus, it is plus. Plus 91. And if you add it, you will get 1 upon 195. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. Here denominators are not same. Take LCM. LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. LCM of 8 and 11, it is 88. Take first rational number, that is minus 3 upon 8. Here denominator is 8. Divide LCM 88 by 8, you will get 11. Multiply by 11 both in numerator and denominator. You will get minus 33 upon 88. Take second rational number 7 upon 11. Here denominator is 11. Divide 88 by 11, you will get 8. Multiply by 8 both in numerator and denominator. You will get 56 upon 88. Therefore, minus 33 upon 88 minus 56 upon 88. Here denominators are same. Write once. And in the numerator, it is minus 33 minus 56. And you will get minus 89 upon 88. And if you write it in mixed fraction, you will get minus 1 upon 88. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. It is minus 2, 1 upon 9, minus 6. Here, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You will get 2 9 18 plus 1 19 minus 19 upon 9 minus 6. Here 6 can be written as 6 upon 1. Here denominators are not same. So take LCM. LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Take first rational number minus 19 upon 9. Denominator is 9. Divide LCM 9 by 9. You will get 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by 1. You will get minus 19 upon 9. Take second rational number. It is minus 6 upon 1. Here denominator is 1. Divide LCM 9 by 1. You will get 9. Multiply numerator and denominator by 9. You will get minus 54 upon 9. Therefore, minus 19 upon 9 minus 54 upon 9. This can be written as, here denominator is same, the right ones, minus 19 minus 54, and if you add it, you will get minus 73 upon 9, and in mixed fraction, you will get minus 8 upon minus 8 1 upon 9 minus 8 1 upon 9. This is your answer.